Adil Adams. I work over here at Titan Motorsports. I drive our 2020 Supra, or as people will call it, the A90. Also work on it as well. I have quite a bit of knowledge on the car. This is our engine from that originally came in the car. We had a lot of, I would say, time on the engine. We had about a little over 120 dyno runs on it. Some different fuels, 93, MS 109, and Ignite E98 fuel per se. And so basically this is the aftermath of tearing it apart just to see what the engine went through as far as the stress level and stuff like that. Car made, close to 850 horsepower, a little over 700 foot-pounds of torque, and that's with nitrous as well. So just an idea of roughly what's going on in the combustion chamber and all the other rotational parts. Pulling this apart is nothing close to what you would expect after an engine that has that much abuse. All the parts like bearings, your rods, the chains, your guides, stuff like that, practically looks like it just came out of the assembly. After taking it apart, I'm beyond satisfied, and it lets me know that we can safely still push this engine a lot further. After driving 8 seconds and a quarter mile and then taking apart this engine, it's definitely given me the confidence to see and know that this platform definitely can be a 7-second contender in the near future. Again, Adil Adams from Titan Motorsports. Until next time.